Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. We are going to work again with our Mr. Nola's glitter. Less bitter, more glitter. Cordless. You can tell I'm not used to working from this angle. Cordless airbrush. I have a tumbler here. This is a 20-ounce skinny straight from Makerflow. I have sanded it, washed it, spray painted it black. And I have taken a stencil like this. I bought a whole mess of these stencils on AliExpress, just aliexpress.com. Type in stencil into their search bar and a million of these will show up, and they're very inexpensive. They take a while to arrive because they're coming from China, but I got a lot of different ones, and I took this one, which is just an interesting pattern, and I cut the ends off of it, and it fits all the way around a 20 skinny. And then I did a really bad tape job on the back. I taped it very carefully with cellophane tape to try and avoid a really glaring seam. I did not do a perfect job. It won't be beautiful, but hopefully it'll be passable. Because once again, we're experimenting and I don't expect this to be perfect. But anyway, so we have our cup with a stencil on it, and I want to spray on the cup some pretty shimmery, sparkly things. So I'm going back to my Micas from Woody's Goodies. This is their Magic Peacock Series. I have them already mixed up with alcohol. I take about 1/8 of a teaspoon of the mica powder, put it in one of these little dropper bottles, and add 7 or 8 milliliters of 99% alcohol, also from Amazon. So I have the 10 different colors that come in the Magic Peacock Series. You can order them as a collection. I will link to that below. And there's a discount code down there for Woody's Goodies. And I'm just going to shake these up one at a time, put a little bit in our airbrush hopper thing here, and spray it on. And I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe go for diagonal stripes or something, trying to cover the entire surface area, at least where there's black, of the stencil all the way around by the time we're done. And because this is alcohol ink, it should dry very quickly, which is what I'm counting on. It's an experiment. This may not turn out perfect, but I suspect it will be pretty. Maybe better than pretty. So anyway, that's the basis of what we're doing. Let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit in there. Okay. I'm going to give it a couple minutes to dry thoroughly because I don't want to smear things as I take off the stencil. And then we'll cut the tape off the stencil and unwrap it and see what we end up with. Okay, we're back. Let us take the tape off and see if we actually got any stencil pattern at all, or if this just bled through and you know, there's nothing. Well, okay, got it. Ooh, wow, that turned out really nice. I'm very pleased. I like that. Look at that. That turned out way better than I thought it would. And the bottom is just sort of a mishmash of the colors. Oh, that's very pleasing to the eye. I wasn't actually expecting perfection anyway, and I certainly didn't get that, but I still think that's absolutely gorgeous. This is a paint marker. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. I think it looks beautiful. I love it. As experiments go, this was a huge success for me anyway, since I'm not at all skilled in airbrushing. All right, I'm gonna let everything dry thoroughly. I probably will spray some clear spray paint over it to seal it, the Rust-Oleum 2X. It can be matte or gloss, I don't think it really matters. And then I will bring you back when it's time to apply some resin.